Good afternoon. Let's analyze what happened to the market today. Now you can see there's this big black bar. Okay, so this is a bearish candle for today on Heiken Ashi, indicating that price should move downwards. But then at the same time, you are in a tight range. You can see the Bollinger Band is in a tight squeeze. Unless we see a candle, a daily candle, actually body dominating candle closing below the support of 11,540, we cannot be sure that this will start to fall now. Alright, so it could continue to go sideways for a bit. We are in a range like we discussed last week. Now we are at the lower part of the range. 11,793 is the resistance. Alright, so this could start to drop if we see a close below 11,548. Alright, until then we are still in the sideways channel on this chart, on this instrument. Okay, you can see for hourly chart, similar thing. We had a gap down, it did not recover, so obviously it is bearish. But then we also had a good support, and we've seen earlier also when market has gapped down but not recovered. So support needs to break. Good price to still buy because it is at a support. So for tomorrow we could look at buy, which is on the 15-minute chart after we get some confirmation, right? So proper bullish Heiken Ashi candle, you could take a buy and you could target the intraday resistance of 11,700. Okay, that's the view for tomorrow for Nifty. Moving on to MRF, you can see the fall was in a momentum, but now the momentum is actually reduced, right? So we had a small bearish candle followed by today's indecision Heiken Ashi candle, right? So that indicates that yes, we could see a pullback, or this could be the start of an uptrend also, right? Candlestick wise on daily chart, you can see it's a body dominating bullish candlestick, which is why we had the indecision on our Heiken Ashi chart. If the price does pull up, we need to see whether 55,930 is broken. If we see a break of this resistance, we can expect price to continue to move up. Alright, once it reaches the upper band, there is a chance that we could see a reversal. Alright, so this could be a bottom, but then that would not be. The reason I'm saying this could be a bottom because of this support. If you see the Fibonacci here, okay, we are right near the 61.8. So we are between 61.8 and 50%. This is the potential reversal area. We could also spike till a little lower till 61.8 and then reverse, or we might go up rightly from here. So that we'll have to see how the market plays out in this week. But as of now, I would not sell anymore. Alright, and to be able to take an intraday trade, you just have to wait for 15-minute chart tomorrow to give you a pullback, and then you could be on the buying side. HCL Technologies is doing a correction, right? So ideally this is in an uptrend. I would stay out of this market unless we see the market touching the support and giving us a reversal sign. So I wouldn't want to short this yet. I'm looking at 1084 range to try and enter a buy. That is only if this current support breaks. There is a possibility that market could actually reverse from here and continue the uptrend because of the strength of the market. Alright, so you will have a good understanding of this from the hourly chart. Now if we have prices already started going sideways, just like it happened here, if you have a bullish Heiken Ashi forming here, that would be a good time to enter the market on the buying side. TechMahindra is very similar to HCL Technology right now, doing almost the same thing. Today's candle is bearish, so we will take the help of the lower time frames. We are near this previous support zone. So looking at this chart, there is a possibility that we could be playing around this 811 level for some time. Like tomorrow market could still be in this area before it starts to go up. Alright, so if you have a bullish Heiken Ashi, after touching the lower band, that would be a much better signal to enter. Vedanta is bearish, continuing its downtrend. We had a small indecision candle, but today's movement has confirmed that we are still on the bearish side. And Yesbank, a lot of people are expecting this to actually go up from here. Yes, that is possible because you can see it is a very good support, but the market has not given us any such indication up till now. Right, so we will have to see whether this support breaks, because if it does break, then you can see a fall till about 114 levels. As of now, Yesbank is still going sideways. Not much of a movement, as you can see. Gap down, but there's not much of a movement here. So we'll have to basically stay out of this and wait to see what happens. It is best not to trade this. If you are trading this, then you could trade it with a very tight stop loss of the candle which formed on 2nd of May, which was at about 160. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you all tomorrow. Thank you for watching.